Should we do a technical drawing? Don't tell me you're still doing your collections by hand. I know, it seems faster, but it's not. I'm Jessi, a stylist, pattern maker, and production engineer. Invited by Start by WGSN, I'll show you in this series of classes how digital tools will make your life easier and give you more clarity on the product you're creating. My class is already available on the Start platform. See you there!